been like 2 months since we got to Asia, and we've been to a lot of places now. Been to Vietnam, been to Siem Reap, Cambodia, Bangkok for a week, was in Bali for like 3.5 weeks, and now we're in Malaysia. That's my food. I know, I'm trying to do an update video here. Some rice, some kimchi, and some chicken. Still working out, getting it, although the last couple weeks haven't been the best. But this new spot's got a gym. It's pretty nice. Oh, I got food poisoning again. That was pretty f***ing terrible. Worse than the first time. First time was like a month ago in Vietnam. Then I got it here, like right when I got here. My wife thinks it's traveler's diarrhea. Maybe not food poisoning. Funny that I'm talking about this right before I eat. Definitely one of the downsides, for me at least. Apparently I got a weak stomach. I can't handle the food here, or maybe it's the water, I don't know. But that was extra shitty, pun intended. What else has been going on? I don't know. Oh, you know what really sucks is, yeah, my laptop broke. You wanna see that? That's extra bad. I went to the store here. It was in the Apple store. Luckily I got Apple Care on my laptop, but it was a store that's I don't know, official partner of Apple, and they do repairs there. And the guy told me it would be 7 to 14 days to fix it, and they told me they would have to wipe my laptop. So I was like, whoa. First of all, I can't afford to give my laptop up for 7 to 14 days, and I definitely need to figure out what the hell is on there before I have you guys wipe it. And he couldn't explain to me why they would wipe it. He just said, it's common procedure. I'm like, well, shit, okay, they're gonna have to replace the screen. I guess they have to wipe it. I'm not sure why, but whatever. So I was just like, all right, let me take my laptop, try to get some of the stuff I need done, and like figure out what's on there, and then like clean that up. And yeah, so look at this shit. Would you look at this shit? Look at this. Gotta get the mic out of the way. My food's getting cold now. I really should have planned this out better, but I was like, I want to make an update video, so I'm gonna do it now. Now, like, just look at this. This is terrible. It's gonna be embarrassing when you guys see how much crap is on my desktop. Oh, it's just GarageBand. I don't know. Let me show you guys that. Look at that. You see that? See that? It goes all the way to the top there. It's cracked. If you look real close, I don't know. It's gonna be hard to. So there's like right here, right there, right where my finger's at. If you can see that, that little chip happened from a headphone jack plug. Like, it hurts my soul that happened. That happened like when I first bought the laptop years ago, like 2 years ago. I bought that laptop. I was using my wired headphones, and I accidentally closed it onto the little headphone plug, and it chipped the side of the screen just ever so slightly. And I was like, oh, I got lucky. It didn't break the screen. It was just like the smallest little chip. And then all of a sudden, while I'm in Asia, actually right when I got to Malaysia, I opened it up and I was like, oh my God, my screen is just done. And luckily I have that external monitor that I'm connecting it to that is, that's super handy, because if I didn't have that, I don't know what I would do. I mean, I can work off of it, it's fine, like I can deal with it, but it's inconvenient. So my plan is to take it to the store to get it repaired when we decide to like take a little vacation, because now vacation time's officially over. I'm gonna put the camera over here and I'm gonna eat. This is gonna be a mukbang style. People in the comments were like, dude, you're in Asia, we want to see you on the beach in Bali. And it's like, I don't do those kind of videos, but you know what, I'm gonna try to do a little bit more personal vloggy stuff like this. Although, like, I'm 40, dude, I don't know how to vlog. But I'm gonna try to do something like this, because if you guys like this, I'll make more update videos. But this is gonna be my 2 months in Asia after leaving the rat race update video. Here, thumbnail time. I'm trying to get this on the tripod so I don't break my camera too. I'm sure you guys will have some Johnny Sins casting couch comments. I'm trying to get the goddamn camera level. Nice little view there. I'm in a high rise. Vacation time is over for me. Oh shit, I need some soy sauce. If you're wondering what's up with this food, this isn't like some terrible restaurant food that I got here. This is actually just my own shitty cooking with some kimchi and white rice and chicken breast that I cooked up here. It's been a pretty crazy 2 months. I haven't been able to work as much as I wanted to. And that seems to be the theme of I left my job to go to Asia to work on all my own stuff, and then now I haven't been able to work on any of the shit I wanted to work on. But things are changing today. Well, not today. Well, today is actually the first day that I feel better. Funny, last time I did an update video like this, I also talked about having stomach problems. I guess that's also part of the theme too. I'm saying vacation time is over because we're here in Kuala Lumpur. I'm terrible at pronouncing these names, but we're here in KL, as the cool kids call it in Malaysia, the capital of Malaysia. And we have this place for 5 weeks. And we're thinking about extending it, but we're planning on staying in Malaysia for the full 90-day visa that they give us here. We're staying here because the cost of living is incredible. Like, I can't get over like how much we're paying for this place right now. I'll give you guys a little tour in a sec. I'm gonna take a few bites. I'm really, really hungry, but I'm not gonna sit here and eat the whole video. Maybe I'll just talk a little bit and then eat and then continue the video. But you can see I'm on the 25th floor here. It's very nice. I don't know how much you can see actually. I'll give you a better view in a sec. We got this place for $1,100 a month, and that's on Airbnb with the fees for cleaning and the Airbnb fee. So in reality, if I wouldn't have booked this through Airbnb, it probably would have been like $1,000 a month. Crazy. It's like 900 something square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, brand new apartment on the 25th floor in a brand new building, fully furnished. The amenities in this place are ridiculous. You got a gym on the roof, pool on the roof, also on the 42nd floor. We got another pool on the 8th floor. Courtyard, there's multiple stores. There's a sushi shop, a breakfast place, a bakery, a food court with like all types of different food. I can't believe it. And this is like the Asia stuff that you'd hear about and be like, oh man, it's really super cheap to live in Southeast Asia. We chose here to kind of settle down because we've done a lot of hopping around the last few weeks. Talked to my wife. I expressed a little bit of my frustration because it's hard to do everything I wanted to do and not be settled in somewhere. And then there's just been so many like different obstacles, right? Like my laptop breaking, having food poisoning. I've had so many bad experiences with different Airbnbs. The Airbnb in Bali that we got, right? The most expensive Airbnb that we have booked. It wasn't even that nice, right? Little villa. It was close to the beach in Sanur. There was construction happening literally next door, but they were sharing a wall. Like they were building their new villa on the wall of the villa that we were staying in. And it sounded like somebody was banging on the wall. Like I was doing a live stream, and now I complain about noise, and there's like a dirt bike going down on the road down there. The banging and the sawing was 9 hours a day from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. I couldn't get any work done. And I had my noise canceling headphones and that was okay, but it was like so close, like it was literally the same wall. Like I can feel the vibration of the banging on the wall. So we left that place early, and then we went to another place, and then we were like, you know what? We've only got a little bit of time left in Bali. Let's go check out Ubud. Let's go check out the other side of the island. Let's go check out this place and that place. While Bali was supposed to be a whole month-long thing, we ended up cutting it short because since we ended our Airbnb early, Airbnb refunded us money, like it worked out in our favor. We went to check out the rest of the stuff that we hadn't gotten to do. And then after we did that, we were kind of like, we're bored. And I really wanted to get started on working. and we had this place booked in KL, Kuala Lumpur, I don't know. And I was just like, that place has good Wi-Fi. It's got a good layout for the kids. It's got playground and swimming pool and splash pad and gym and all that stuff. I'm like, we need to get there sooner. So we ended up moving some stuff around, and we're finally here. And vacation mode is finally over. But of course, I got food poisoning and my laptop broke. There's obstacles that we're gonna deal with. Nobody ever said this was gonna be easy. I'd be lying if I said I hadn't had a talk with my wife about like, maybe we should call it quits. But I'm not ready yet. I need 90 more days before I can make that call. I don't know how the hell people do mukbang videos because I can barely talk with the food in my mouth. I don't see the reason why people do this. I just wanted to make an update video because I feel that there's a bit of realness and reality that people leave out in a lot of the day in the life videos. Honestly, the day in the life videos would just be too much work for me. I finally got some of my editors back. They're helping me with some of the output because I just haven't been able to produce as much as I wanted to. I really wanted to focus on coding. I haven't been able to do that either, but that's all changing now. And I'm gonna have more time. And I just wanted to do this update because there's so much bullshit and Hollywood smoke and mirrors that happens where people just show you all the perfect stuff. And I know that I can make those videos and I can talk about how awesome it is to be a digital nomad and how great it is to travel. And the truth is that it hasn't been that. So I wanted to make an update video and just kind of share that. I still see the silver lining. I see that I'm only paying $1,100 for this place. You wouldn't be able to get this anywhere in the US. Like we are, I don't know, like 10 or 15 minutes from the city center of KL. So we're just like outside of it. We're 5 minutes from a mega mall. I've never seen a mall so big in my life when I went to take my laptop. And it's just, it is exactly what everyone tells you when they tell you that you can save money by coming here. And if you can focus and hustle and save money, that you can really like get ahead and get some stuff built. And in the last 2 months, this is the first time it actually feels like that might actually be the case for me. The journey's different for all of us. But I do still think that Asia is a place where you can go and cut your cost of living down and hustle and grind and get ahead. I see it now, like what we're spending on food, what we're spending on accommodations, it's unbelievable. And let me just show you a little bit of the apartment before I end this video because I got 5% battery and it's probably gonna die and I wanna show you everything. So like I said, we're on, Jesus Christ, I almost killed myself with a tripod. Like I said, 25th floor. Pretty nice. There's definitely some, you know, economical disparity here. Like, it's not all beautiful, you know. There's some older buildings down there, restaurants and shops and apartments that you can see aren't the nicest, but that's just the reality of being in a poorer country. But you can also see all those skyscrapers down there and down there. But what's crazy, I don't know if I can zoom in all the way over there because I don't have a zoom lens, but you see there's like some cars down there. Those are all Ferraris, Lamborghinis. I think I see a McLaren over there. So you literally have really impoverished apartments down there, and then you have freaking supercars parked over there for sale. So it's interesting to say the least. Just gonna show you what it looks like when you walk in. You know, walk in. It's kind of a mess, but it is what it is. I just want to show it off real quick. So you got a nice little kitchen here. I'll show you guys. You got full washer and dryer there, and like little storage, cleaning supply place here. Not bad. You can see still on the high-rise life. Never lived in a high-rise before. Kind of different, but then. You got the living room area. I got my son's Legos. Just bought those for him. He loves his Legos. So, you know, we got to make sure we got stuff for them to do. Hooked up their Nintendo Switch to the TV so that they can play there. That's my kimchi and rice over there. The bathrooms are going to be dirty, but whatever. The kids play in them. But this is bathroom number 1. Like, place is brand new. I think I'm going to do a whole video on this entire building, but this is a sneak peek. And I'll do a video titled, like, this is what $1,000 gets you in Malaysia for a month. But this bedroom's actually not that dirty. But, see, pretty nice. Same view, might be a little blown out there because I adjusted this, and this is my kids' room here. They've been kind of sleeping here. It's got bunk bed and their little toys that they've been playing with. It's fun that the place actually had a bunch of toys for them to play with, so let me close that. And then this is our bedroom for my wife and I. Got another little desk there that I kind of have been working off of. And another nice view there of the same, skyline and whatnot. And then our bathroom here, I just showered, so it might be a little steamy. That's where I'm living for the next 5 weeks at least. Like I said, we might extend this. We might move closer to the group of traveling families that's here, because there's this big, giant group. It's like 80 families that they just came from Thailand, and they're going to be here in KL and in Petaling PJ for 90 days. And we're hoping to make some friends there and see where they go. We're going to go check out Penang. We're going to check out Langkawi at another time. My son's birthday is going to be coming up, so we're going to do something special for him. There's like a Legoland here, or like a Lego park. We might do that. We might drive down to Singapore. I don't know. There's a lot of options. It's pretty cool. And I just wanted to give you guys the update and check in, because people have been requesting a video like this, and I figured, why not? All right, with all that said, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go eat my kimchi and rice and chicken now. Peace.